Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I just want to hop on here and do a real quick glam up. Get ready with me. And this is a collab with Toricreations, and she is the most outgoing outreach person ever on the internet that I met. And so reached out to me to do a little collab, so we came out with our own looks and then we're gonna do each other's glam up look. So her glam is, thank goodness, not that complicated. It's really just foundation, concealer, all that good stuff, and then we're doing a dark eyeshadow and blending with something glittery, something like that color, and we're gonna do pink gloss and pink blush. I'm gonna miss myself. So how's everybody doing? Is everybody enjoying the quarantine life or not? I actually really love this quarantine, and being at home I was able to do so much more. I didn't used to be able to do that, and I really appreciate something like this come across. I mean, not that it's great because the world is really suffering, but you gotta make the best of it, you know? My Bare Mineral foundation. The sad story is I bought this before my trip to the Philippines, and it's literally the worst thing I can do because I never thought I was gonna be like a shade darker when I come back, and I did. And I was like, oh man, I like everything. I got it on my dress. A lot of people say Bare Mineral is like too thick. It makes you look pretty cakey, but you know, this is the first ever foundation that I bought, and they literally matched it to my skin. And you can see in this very first zoom video here that I was straight out of the Sephora makeup shop, and I was like, wow, I look like American, non-Asian, like, I don't know. I look like one of those real ABGs. So I always like to do my eyeshadow first, and this is still my favorite palette. It has so many beautiful colors. I'm going to use these browns to blend it. I'm going to start with a warm taupe. So since this is glam up, I'm gonna go hard on these colors. And we're gonna go dark using the Cypress Umber. Oh goodness. Oh no, it became really dark. I personally never really wear dark eyeshadows. Unless, you know, we're going to some event that I need to be seen because my makeup is just like really light. There's always one eye that looks better than the other, and it's out of my control. I think that is it for the eyeshadow. She didn't say to use eyeliner. I don't know, can I still use eyeliner?
I always do eyeliner because if I don't, my eyes are just really lost. But
I'm gonna try some of this glitter. It's from the NYX, and they used to have a rollerball glitter applier, but they stopped producing it for some reason.
I don't know. I personally love the rollerball, and I hated myself for not getting it. I would have gotten it like every color that I could. They have a really beautiful like taupe skin color one, but I completely missed out. Please, can someone tell me where else do they have a rollerball glittering rollerball like this? I would love to know.
So for you, Miss Tori, I'm going to crack this open. I haven't used this since the last rave I went to. And do that. I'm just gonna pat it all around. Pretend like I'm just got out of a glam party and I'm completely wasted. Just kidding. Oh, I love this glitter. I'm just doing my brows. It just needs to be a little stronger than it already is. You know, we all need to look a little stronger than we already are, so people cannot mess with. Yeah, you know what I mean? See how much a brow difference? So the pink blush I'm using is from this little palette, LISE WAITER. Also came from somewhere that I do not know. I'm gonna use the pink part, okay? Last thing on the list to do is a pink gloss. I don't wear gloss that often. I mean, I never wear gloss because the shiny trend kind of died back in the 2010s. And I remember we used to go to like Bath Beyond or Bath and Body Works actually, and you buy 2 get 1 free, and you get this lemon flavor. That was my favorite. It's a clear color. I found this lip gloss in the bottom of my makeup ocean, and it says Lip Maximizer Collagen Active. This is the pinkest thing that I own, so I'm gonna try. I think I've tried it once and I'm a little anxious because it says Lip Maximizer, which means it has some sort of chemical in it that makes your lip a little plumper. Can you see it's pink? My lips are already really red, so unless it's like a really potent pink lipstick, it's not really gonna show, but I got my gloss on. Ooh, my lips feel tingly. Like it feels like it's kind of minty right now. Wait a minute, what party am I going to, you ask? Filming day today is actually John's birthday, and I'm about to head over to see him, bring him cake and duck, like Chinese duck. He loves duck cooked in that way. I'll put a cake picture here because I'm really proud of what we got. It's a funny like toilet paper cake. You guys, while I'm doing this is the ultimate sensation happening. Like my eyelashes are burning up, and not in a bad way, but my lips are cold. This is like actually kind of burning. I do have one last thing I need to do. I don't think my blush is pink enough, so I'm just gonna do a little bit more from this Lancome looking palette. Just one color. Let's put it on my eyelid. Oh my god. I noticed Vestra's also put it on her nose. Like, I was like, at first I thought it was kind of funny because then she always looks like she has allergies. I love her though. But then I was like, oh, that's actually just kind of cute. It also kind of makes you look like you're always crying, like very vulnerable person. But you are not. Okay. Highlight points. This is what I do. I'm done with the makeup collab challenge. I hope you guys like this look. I feel fabulous in the glitters that I chose. I miss it so much. I miss the prettying days, really. And I will see you on the next one. By the way, these lips are still tingly. It's really weird. I don't know if it even has a brand on it. It is made in France. Oh, it's Dior, actually. Wow. Okay, then I really gotta trust this brand. It's not gonna burn my lips or anything, right? I'll see you in the next one. Ne peut-être bon de simplement not for individual sale. Oh yeah, I speak French. And I'm just kidding. I'm not that great. It is made in France.